I'm going to show you how you can easily claim Shopee personal accident insurance. First, open the Shopee app and log into your account. Next, tap on the Me icon, usually at the bottom right corner. Then select the My Insurance option. Now find and select the Personal Accident Insurance option. After that, click on Redeem Now and fill in your personal information if you haven't done so already. If you need to file a claim, go to the Claim Submission section and fill out the required form. You will need to upload necessary documents such as a death certificate, police report, or hospital discharge summary. Some insurers allow you to submit these documents online via an upload feature, while others may request you to email or mail them. After submitting your claim, you can track its status from the account summary page. Once the claim is approved, you will receive the compensation. This could be deposited directly into your bank account or Shopee Pay, depending on the policy terms. Ensure that you read the terms and conditions of the policy to understand what type of incidents are covered.